Oh wait, you heard it right. The country with great rules and regulations on women is now releasing something surprising. With the huge raise in technology, Saudi Arabia released a fully performing humanoid robot. Don't you guys want to know more about this shocking news? Then stay tuned with us. Sara, the first robot capable of speaking Arabic, has been unveiled by Saudi Arabia. She can dance and respond to questions in addition to speaking. The LEAP 2023 conference was taking place in Riyadh, and Sara reportedly debuted there during the kingdom's digital pavilion. Let's take a look also into LEAP 2023. Thousands of people gathered at the Riyadh International Convention and Exhibition Center in Saudi Arabia's capital to participate in debates and see world premieres in what would be one of the many future tech events in the kingdom. The largest tech event in the world came to an end. Robot Sara was one of the main attractions of the fest. Entrepreneurs and industry professionals attended talks at the LEAP 23 conference's second iteration and browsed the many booths showcasing the newest tech products at what Michael Champion, Regional Executive Vice President of Informa Markets, called the fastest growing tech event in the world, according to Arab News. The first Saudi Arabian robot can speak the language, dance, and answer questions. At the LEAP 23 conference in Riyadh, Sara has been introducing guests to the kingdom's digital pavilion. A team of Saudi engineers developed Sara. Like Sophia, Sara is a humanoid robot that uses artificial intelligence to interact with people. However, what sets Sara apart is its ability to communicate in the Saudi dialect of Arabic, which makes it easier for the robot to engage with local audiences. Sara has been programmed with a wide range of knowledge about Saudi culture and history, and it can answer questions about these topics and general inquiries. The robot has also been trained to perform popular dances, including the traditional Ada dance, which is often performed at weddings and other cultural events. The development of Sara is part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 initiative, which aims to diversify the country's economy and reduce its dependence on oil. The initiative includes a strong focus on technology and innovation, and the development of robots like Sara is seen as an important step in this direction. While the development of robots like Sara is an exciting advancement in robotics and artificial intelligence, it's important to consider the potential implications of this technology on society and the workforce. As with any new technology, there are benefits and challenges to consider, and it's important to approach these developments thoughtfully and measuredly. The kingdom's digital pavilion showcases Saudi Arabia's technology and innovation, and it's an excellent opportunity for the country to share its progress in these areas with the world. Using a robot like Sara to introduce guests to the pavilion is a creative way to engage visitors and showcase the country's robotics and artificial intelligence advancements. Sara's ability to communicate in the Saudi dialect and perform popular dances is likely to be an added attraction for visitors, and it's a great way to demonstrate how technology can be used to bridge cultural barriers. Artificial intelligence is used via a built-in camera to detect when humans are in front of the robot. Greeting visitors with the words, "Hello Sara," will get them talking. Using a built-in camera and AI technology is an excellent way to make interactions with robots like Sara more natural and intuitive. By detecting the presence of a human and initiating the conversation, the robot can create a more engaging and interactive experience for the visitor. Using specific keywords like "Hello Sara" to initiate conversations is a clever way to make the interaction more personalized and human-like. This approach can also help visitors feel more comfortable and confident when interacting with the robot. Sara is equipped with a pre-trained model that can identify various regional accents within the kingdom, analyze and comprehend sentences, and then send the appropriate response as text. One of the highlights of this year's LEAP, the second iteration of a significant technology conference, is Sara. Snap, Aramco, and Zoom officials are scheduled to hold this year's LEAP exhibitions. Oracle, a provider of cloud computing services, committed to investing $1.5 billion in Saudi Arabia as part of its opening statements at the LEAP conference. This year, LEAP had exhibitions from businesses like Google, Neom, Visa, and Ericsson. The Saudi Federation for Cybersecurity and Programming and the Ministry of Communications and Information Technology, MCIT, of Saudi Arabia jointly own Tahaluf, a strategic joint venture, SAF-CSP. These companies represent some of the leading innovators in the technology industry, and their presence at the conference is a testament to the growing importance of technology in Saudi Arabia. The LEAP 23 conference is an excellent platform for companies to showcase their products and services, share knowledge and ideas, and collaborate with other organizations. As one of the leading technology events in the region, LEAP 23 provides a unique opportunity for companies to connect with key decision makers, influencers, and stakeholders in the industry. The fact that the event is organized by the Saudi Ministry of Communications and Information Technology, along with Tahaluf, a joint venture co co-owned by Informa plc and the Saudi Federation for Cybersecurity and Programming (SAFCSP), demonstrates the country's commitment to developing its technology and innovation capabilities. By bringing together some of the leading players in the industry, Saudi Arabia is positioning itself as a hub for technology and innovation in the region. By investing in technology and innovation, Saudi Arabia is positioning itself as a hub for the technology industry in the region, which will undoubtedly positively impact the country's economic growth and development. The LEAP event is an excellent platform for showcasing the country's progress and attracting further investment and partnerships. The fact that this year's event is being held at the Riyadh Front Expo Centre from February 6th to February 9th is a testament to the country's commitment to the technology industry. The event will allow companies and stakeholders to share their ideas, collaborate, and connect with key decision makers in the industry. It's fascinating to hear about the advanced capabilities of the Sara robot, including its pre-trained model for recognizing different dialects and understanding sentence content. The ability to recognize and understand different dialects within the kingdom is an impressive feat and demonstrates the advanced capabilities of the robot's natural language processing (NLP) technology. The robot can provide appropriate answers naturally and intuitively by analyzing sentences and understanding their content. The fact that Sara can send its responses in the text is also noteworthy, as it provides users with an additional layer of convenience. With the ability to send text responses, the robot can easily communicate with users via various channels, such as messaging apps, social media, or email. As over 1,000 investors from around the world, triple those at last year's conference, represent companies with assets under management of more than $2 trillion, Champion believes LEAP is one of the best platforms for startups globally to participate in. This is especially true if they want access to significant funding and win prizes that break all previous records. The Saudi robot introduces itself saying, "I'm Sara, the first Saudi robot in the world made by Saudi hands, and I'm talking to you from a Saudi." Champion thinks that Saudi Arabia's active investor community and East meets West location are ideal for startups looking to forge close ties with influential tech investors from the region, Europe, the US, and the Far East. Saudi Arabia is quickly becoming a global hub for startups and entrepreneurs. The $9 billion transactions reported by the kingdom's Minister of Communication, Abdallah Al-Swahar, were followed on the third day of LEAP 23 by the announcement of investment plans totaling $2.43 billion. Disruptive and emerging technologies are progressively affecting every part of life, and trends are evolving and improving over time. The main goal of LEAP 23 is to provide the most recent iterations of these technologies. According to Champion, to stay on top of new trends, the LEAP Alliance was created. A group of global thought leaders choose some of the most promising ideas and weave them into the year's theme. Sara can execute well-known dances in addition to speaking multiple languages. Its sophisticated motor control mechanisms and capacity to interpret intricate movement patterns make this feasible. A robot that can move gracefully and fluidly is an intriguing addition to events and performances. The potential for Sara to completely alter how companies and people interact with technology is one of its main advantages. It can help with various activities thanks to its sophisticated language processing abilities, saving people and businesses time and resources. Also, its capacity to do well-known dances makes it a fun addition to events and performances, bringing energy and a sense of engagement to the proceedings. The fact that Sara is available to a wide spectrum of people is another important advantage. Sara has been created to be user-friendly and available to everyone, unlike other AI solutions that could necessitate extensive technical skills. This implies that anyone can operate and interact with the robot regardless of technical proficiency. The introduction of Sara, Saudi Arabia's first fully performing female humanoid robot, is a testament to the country's commitment to technology and innovation. With its advanced capabilities in natural language processing, speech recognition, and motion detection, Sara represents cutting edge of human-robot interaction technology. Its ability to communicate in the local dialect, perform popular dances, and respond to inquiries naturally and intuitively makes it a valuable asset in various settings, including hospitality, tourism, and customer service. As Saudi Arabia invests in technology and innovation, we expect to see even more advanced and sophisticated robots that will play an increasingly important role in society.